Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these most adorable mini notebooks. They are tiny, cute, and they made the sweetest gifts, or you can just make them for yourself. They are perfect for journaling or tiny notes. They are very easy to make. I hope you find my tutorial easy and helpful. So let's start. I'm using watercolor paper, but you can use any kind of paper available. Cut the paper into pieces 3.5 centimeters. Like this. Use a corner rounder to round the edges. If you don't have, don't worry, you can use scissors. Use a hole punch to make holes. Then it will be like this. You can color the covers. And you can draw. Just customize it as you like. You can just draw on the covers or separately on other paper. Then cut them out and stick them on the covers. I'm making a notebook with 10 pages. You can just make them as many as you want. Now I put on the front cover and the back cover. Here I'm using a tiny paper strip to tie the notebook together. Stick the drawing on. And our cute mini notebooks are ready. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.